यही कार जो थी MC Stan के सॉन्ग में फीचर किया था इस गाड़ी ने। दिस वॉज प्रीवियसली ओन्ड बाय सलमान खान। ये है जोनाथन भाई की मस्टैंग। चेक दिस आउट बॉयज। Guys, promise me you won't tell this to anyone else. Well guys, उधर के Ferraris तो हमने देख लिए. Now it's time for the Porsches. Here's a beautiful Shark Blue 992 GT3 RS owned by Joey Postal again. यहाँ पर है 911 Carrera S from Ahmedabad, गुजरात. यहाँ पर है एक 911 Turbo S. Here's a GT3 Touring. Here's another Carrera S. यहाँ पर भी है एक और Carrera S. And then we have some uniquely wrapped another Porsche 911 Carrera S. Here's a Carrera S with a GT3 kit on it and this exact car, मतलब यही कार जो थी MC Stan के सॉन्ग में फीचर किया था इस गाड़ी ने. So it is this one and this is one of the craziest Porsches that are present over here. And let me tell you a secret. Guys, promise me you won't tell this to anyone else. इस गाड़ी के अंदर most of the जो components है या जो panels है, these are made out of carbon fiber. You can see the hands right over here. You can see it's carbon fiber over here. एक बड़ा Porsche का wing at the back. You can see how crazy this is. And again, it has got two exhausts coming right out of the back. Shout out to Jas Gupta for getting it over here. यहाँ पर है one of the loudest sounding Mustangs in India. Among the top 5, I would say definitely this would get a spot. Of course, you all might know this car. ये है Jonathan भाई की Mustang. I mean, it was previously owned by Jonathan. Now it's owned by another guy named Arya Rawat. You can see his Insta ID right over here. So he owns it now. ये है Johnny भाई की Mustang. And ये wing game देखो कितना strong है दोनों गाड़ियों का. This has got a big wing over here. And उस कार को भी है एक बड़ा सा पीछे wing. So you know it is as crazy as it gets. यहाँ पर है the Mustang and then the Mustang competitor. Here we have got the Dodge Challenger. Check this out boys. With a 392 Hemi in it, huge V8 block. You can see that B on the car, the initials and even on the seats. If you notice, bhai, and it's the Hellcat. So you know this is the Dodge. अभी कहना ही क्या है. You have got the Dodge Challenger, the Mustang, another Mustang, lineup of Mustangs. यहाँ पर है एक F-Type which we won't go into deep because then again बहुत सारे cars है. And one of the special JDM cars that we have over here is this Rocket Bunny 350Z. It has got the carbon fiber hood, completely customized carbon fiber hood, and you have got a wide body kits that is also customized. These are some of the modifications done to the car, owned by Muhammad Adon. This is the Rocket Bunny Nissan 350. And check this out how low this car is. Bhai, this is one of the craziest JDM cars that we have here at the Raymond Auto Fest. Well, we saw the Nissan GTR Wild Child over there. That was the fastest car, and even this is the fastest car in India. I guess this ranks second with a gap of 0.02 milliseconds. So ऐसा कुछ है. These two guys have a very close call in terms of the timings. This is Sean Rodriguez Audi R8 twin turbo. And check this out boys, the CP twin turbo kit. This car literally shoots flames. And ये गाड़ी को हमने देखा था at the Whip Mantra 3.0 which happened in Hyderabad. And अगर आपने वो ब्लॉग नहीं देखा है तो make sure check it out, क्योंकि उस ब्लॉग में मैंने वीडियो डाला है कि कितने बड़े फ्लेम्स आते हैं गाड़ी से. So you'll get an idea कि भाई what this car is capable of. Even this car has been featured in our vlog, in the Underground 9.0 vlog. This is the Audi RS7 and भाई this was previously owned by सलमान खान. अगर आपको डाउट है तो नंबर प्लेट डाल के चेक कर लो गूगल पे. Audi RS7 2727. You'll know. Shout out to Parvez Rider Boy 99 Octane for getting this car over here. And also congratulations to Mr. Parvez for getting his brand new BMW S1000 RR M Sport. When we say BMW, we have got another M car which is the M3 from the Horsepower Cartels garage. Another M car which is the M2, India's fastest M2 right over here from the Tim Kickshift. Another M3, and here we have got a car from Pune which is Porsche 911 Turbo S from the Mars Garage. Shout out to Om Muske. And यहाँ पर है एक Bentley Continental GT from the Team Super Select. Even this car has been on our blog in the Underground 9 video in red interiors. Absolute blast with the Mansory rims over there, as you guys can see, bro. यहाँ पर है एक और Bentley Continental GT. Then we have got the SLC 43 AMG. Here's a BMW Z3 Roadster, one of very few in India. Here's an M6 Grand Coupe, a family M sedan. And यहाँ पर है एक Cayman S.
The next day.
Yes guys, you heard it, the 812 competition है. Guys, check this out. We are literally in the exclusive zone right now. And मेरे सामने खड़ी है the 812. You just heard this car revving out loud. And यहाँ पर है गौतम सिंघानिया की personal 720S with some ton of modification on the car. Bro, am I in heaven right now? This is crazy. वहाँ पर खड़ी है GMC. And there's a very rare Honda NSX from the GP collection. There's a vintage car over there. And वहाँ पर है the Rolls-Royce, the one which is the pride of India. Here we are in front of the 812 and 720S. Guys, if you know, you know. That's the F1 racing legend. He just signed on the 750S. Gautam Singhania. Pop the hood movement. Check out that fusion lock. That is crazy. Alright guys, that was it about the part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Subscribe, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and do not forget to watch the third part of this vlog of the Raymond Auto Fest. The link is in the description. Make sure you check it out. या नहीं तो यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा रहेगा वीडियो. So make sure you click on that video. And मिलते हैं आप सबको in the next vlog. Till then, stay subscribed and stay happy.